Eat a bracelet, chew on a change purse, spread deodorant on a slice of bread, and take a sip of perfume? What is it? A new weird diet for girls? No, these are our new edible pranks. My friend and I get hungry while walking in the park. Our stomachs start growling and spirits sink. But here is a problem. I left my change purse at home, and my friend forgot to put money into hers. What shall we do? Make a thick gelatin solution. Soak 1 package of gelatin in 2 ounces of hot water. Put it into a microwave for 5 seconds. Cut gummy raspberries in half. Define the fondant leaves with food coloring and break them into parts. Attach raspberries to the change purse with the gelatin glue. Add the leaf fragments. Dreamy Dolly bites off a piece of the change purse. Wow! And I've totally forgotten that this change purse is edible. The raspberries are very delicious. I distract my friend and run away with the yummy. This precious will be mine only. I've prepared everything for sandwiches except butter, but the blue-eyed girl has a tasty compliment. I expect to see chocolate spread or jam, but no, deodorant? My friend has some weird recipe. Add food coloring to condensed milk. Mix it. Take an empty roll-on deodorant and clean it thoroughly. Pour in condensed milk and pop on the cap. The blue-eyed girl spreads the pink deodorant over my toast. Oh no, I'm not going to eat it. I don't want a sandwich with a makeup flavor. But my friend reveals her cooking secret. Condensed milk is hidden in the deodorant, and we get a sweet and delicious sandwich. Spreading condensed milk onto bread in this way is very handy. Help yourself. My friend and I are discussing a project. This process is very exciting. What should we include and what should we leave out? How is Professor's last name spelled? Dolly thinks so hard that she even bites a button off a keyboard. Add black food coloring to fondant. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out the fondant. Cut out an Enter button, tracing the paper template. Dampen the fondant with water. Make an inscription with white food coloring. When hardened, put the fondant button onto the keyboard instead of the real one. Dolly bites off the Enter button without any hesitation. Can she type with her teeth? I follow my friend's example, but my button turns out to be as hard as plastic. Oh, the last thing I need before an exam is to break my tooth. Vicky has a new headband. She needs to post a photo with it on Instagram. Hashtags of Heavenly Beautiful and Queen of Flowers are a must. I like it so much that I want a photo shoot like this too. But my friend has eaten half of the flowers from the headband. We will need a headband covered with fabric. Soak some gelatin in hot water to get a thick consistency. Heat it up in a microwave. Use the gelatin glue to attach fondant flowers to the headband. Vicky gets tired of being a forest nymph. She wants to snack with the sweet flowers. She shares the candies with her friend. Why does Dolly need a headband? She is beautiful without any flowers. The friends have new accessories. They are going to amaze each other. Dolly shows her new bracelet, and Vicky demonstrates her new earrings. Oh my! They are truly and fully identical. Cut out edible icing lace to get earrings. Attach brass clasps. Cut a bracelet out of the same lace icing. Attach the clasps to its sides. It's such a disappointment. Dolly wanted to boast about her new accessory. Well, there is only one thing left to do. Eat it! She bites her bracelet. Ha! Nothing to be surprised at. Vicky takes off her earring and bites off a piece of her precious jewelry. It turns out that her earrings are edible too. Real friends have identical ideas. Dolly is bored. Even